Okay, we're making a batch of slime, a little one, just to show you guys. Okay, wait. So I'm first putting a drop of glue. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add some shaving cream to make it firm. I added a bit too much. Sorry, Maya. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Here, we've made already slime before, so everything's a bit dirty. Like, yeah. Okay. Now, sorry. There we go. Now, we're gonna put some color to make it a bit more, colorful. Okay, so I'm gonna make mine peach to match the bowl. I mean the thingy. I don't know how to say it in American voice. Okay, gonna do 2 drops of that and a drop of this. Okay. There. Now I'm gonna mix it to, mix it. Blah. Okay, it's time to get the. Okay, it's a bit orangey more, but never mind. It's good. There we go. Okay, now we're going to make it actual slime, to activate it. We're going to put, oh, oopsie, it's got a little hole in there. So I'm going to put a bit of baking powder. And, baking soda. Sorry. I'm going to mix it a little. And now we're going to put in eye contact lens solution. Okay. If you guys have borax, then it's much better, but make sure you put it in hot water to melt it, and so it'll not be that bad for the hands. Okay, there, now I'm gonna mix it a little. Okay. Now. So, as you can see, it's foamy slime. Really good. There. Now, we already made a lot more over here, as you can see. Okay, bye.